Central line procedures, preparing your environment. This video will review the steps required to set up your environment before performing a central vascular access device or CVAD procedure on your child. Your child's healthcare team may teach you how to complete central line procedures at home. It is important to follow all procedures carefully to keep your child safe. Do not perform these procedures unless instructed to do so by your child's healthcare provider. A central line is a tube that goes through one of your child's large veins that leads to the heart. It is used to deliver medications or fluids. Central line procedures require two caregivers, a main person and a support person. Before beginning the procedure, decide who will take the main and supporting role, and plan where you will perform the procedure. Environment. Locate an area to perform the procedure. Find a quiet space and remove any pets or other children. You can limit air drafts by closing windows and doors and turning off fans. Remove any clutter. The child should be on a surface where they are comfortable and you can easily access the central line. Do not use your child's bed as a work surface. Do not use a changing table as this is not a clean area. Supplies. Find a stable, wipeable work surface within arm's reach to place your supplies. You can set aside an item like an unused, dedicated cookie sheet for this purpose, since it will be easy to sanitize. Clean the surface with a disinfectant wipe before each use and allow to dry. The work surface should not be placed on your child's bed. Place a garbage bin and hand sanitizer within reach. You will also need a clock or cell phone to use as a timer. It is important that this method of timing is hands-free to prevent touching your phone while wearing gloves. Remove any jewelry and tie back long hair. Wash your hands. It is best to use soap and water, especially if your hands are visibly soiled, but you may use hand sanitizer if your hands appear clean. Rub your hands together until they are dry, ensuring you wash every surface of your hands. Gather your supplies and place all materials within reach on your clean work surface. Wash your hands. Put on your mask before beginning any procedure and before putting on gloves. Secure the mask by pinching the top around your nose, then pull the mask down under your chin. Wash your hands again after touching your face. Everyone in the room should put on a mask. If your child is too young or unable to wear a mask, have the second person support them in turning their head away from the CVAD. Place all materials within reach. You are now ready to begin your central line procedure. Please speak to your child's healthcare provider about this video before performing any of these procedures. Remember these key points. You need 2 people for these procedures. Find a quiet spot and remove pets or other children. Close windows and turn off fans. Clean surfaces and clear clutter. Start a hands-free timer before starting your procedure. Remove jewelry and tie up long hair. Place all supplies within reach. Put on a mask and wash your hands after each step.